Good morning. Yesterday we started with the topic trigonometric functions. The first part was trigonometric equation. An equation containing the trigonometric functions of unknown angles is called a trigonometric equation. What is the solution of a trigonometric equation? The value of the unknown angle which satisfies the equation is obviously called the solution of the trigonometric equation, right? Actually, there are two types of solutions, principal solution and general solution. The solutions of a trigonometric equation of an unknown angle x where 0 less than or equal to x less than 2 pi are called its principal solution. What is general solution? The solutions of a trigonometric equation which are generalized by using its periodicity are called its general solution. This table is important. What is the general solution of sine theta equal to 0? Theta is n pi, where n is an integer. Now, n will always be an integer. You have to write this when you solve sums of this type. Cos theta equal to 0. Theta is 2n plus 1 pi by 2. Tan theta equal to 0. Theta is n pi. Sin theta equal to sin alpha. Theta is n pi plus minus 1 raised to n alpha. Cos theta equal to cos cos theta equal to cos alpha. Theta is 2n pi plus minus alpha. Tan theta equal to tan alpha. So theta is n pi plus alpha. For sin square theta equal to sin square alpha, cos square theta equal to cos square alpha, tan square theta equal to tan square alpha, we have theta equal to n pi plus minus alpha. Is that clear? So this table is very important. Now question 5. Find the general solutions of the following equations. First one. This is first one. Sin 2 theta is half, but sin pi by 6 is half. Now what is the solution for sin theta equal to sin alpha? Theta is n pi plus minus 1 raised to n alpha. But here it is 2 theta. So 2 theta equal to n pi plus minus 1 raised to n pi by 6. But we are interested in theta. So divide by 2. So theta equal to n pi upon 2 plus minus 1 raised to n pi by 12, where n is an integer. Second, tan of 2 theta by 3 is root 3, but tan 60 degrees, that is tan pi by 3 is root 3. Actually, I should not have written just pi by 3. I should have written tan pi by 3. I will make that change. Sorry, this should be tan pi by 3, no? Not pi by 3. Now, what is the general solution? See, GS is not the standard short form. You have to write general solution. It is what? 2 theta by 3 equal to n pi plus pi by 3. But we are interested in theta. So multiply throughout by 3 by 2. To get general solution as what? As theta equal to 3n pi by 2 plus pi by 2, where n is an integer. Third one, cot 4 theta is minus 1. So what will be tan 4 theta? It's reciprocal. Again minus 1. But tan pi by 4 is 1. So tan 4 theta is minus tan pi by 4. Now tan of pi minus theta is minus tan theta. So minus tan pi by 4 is tan of pi minus pi by 4. That is tan of 3 pi by 4. So equation becomes tan 4 theta equal to tan 3 pi by 4. Now use general solution for tan theta equal to tan alpha. So 4 theta, please do not write theta. You have to write this angle. So 4 theta is n pi plus this alpha 3 pi by 4. N is an integer. But we are interested in theta. So divide by 4. So theta is n pi by 4 plus 3 pi upon 16, where n is an integer. Question 6. Find the general solutions of the following equations. First one, 4 cos square theta equal to 3. So what is cos square theta? 3 by 4. 3 by 4 is square of root 3 by 2. Now root 3 by 2 is cosine ratio of which angle? 30 degrees, that is pi by 6. So equation becomes cos square theta equal to cos square pi by 6. So what is the general solution? Theta equal to n pi plus minus pi by 6 where n is an integer. Second, 4 sine square theta is 1. So what is sine square theta? 1 by 4, which is square of half. Now half is nothing but sine 30 degrees, that is sine pi by 6. So equation becomes sine square theta equal to sine square pi by 6. So what is the general solution? Theta equal to n pi plus minus pi by 6 where n is an integer. Now this is interesting. Actually there are two methods. Equation is cos 4 theta equal to cos 2 theta. So what is 4 theta? It is 2n pi plus minus 2 theta where n is an integer. Now we will consider plus and minus separately, taking positive sign. So 4 theta equal to 2n pi plus 2 theta. I omitted one step. Bring this term to LHS. 4 theta minus 2 theta is what? 2 theta. So 2 theta is 2n pi. So what is theta? N pi, where n is an integer. Considering negative sign, so 4 theta equal to 2n pi minus 2 theta. When this goes to LHS, becomes 6 theta. 6 theta equal to 2n pi. So what is theta? 2n pi upon 6, that is n pi by 3. So the general solution is theta equal to n pi where n is an integer, or theta is n pi upon 3 where n is an integer. Now it will be the second method. You can try this afterwards. See, cos 4 theta is cos 2 theta. So cos 4 theta minus cos 2 theta equal to 0. Apply cos a minus cos b formula. It is minus 2 sine of a plus b by 2 into sine of a minus b by 2. So product of two sine terms is 0 and so on. You will get the same answer. In exam, you can use any one of these two methods. Seventh, find the general solutions of the following equations. Sin theta equal to tan theta, that is sin by cos. Please do not divide by sin because sin can be 0. Cross multiply, rearrange the terms, take sin theta common to get sin theta equal to 0, or cos theta minus 1 equal to 0, that is cos theta equal to 1. Now sin theta equal to 0 had general solution theta equal to n pi where n is an integer. Cos theta equal to 1, but cos 0 is 1. So cos theta equal to cos 0 has general solution theta equal to 2n pi plus minus 0, that is theta equal to 2n pi where n is an integer. Now use common sense. See, n pi covers 2n pi also because n is an integer. This shows that for all integral values of n, n pi is the solution. So 2n is the special case of n, right? So if you ask me, just say theta is n pi where n is an integer, you should get full marks, but usually they don't give. So you have to write answer as, write down theta equals n pi, n is an integer, or theta is 2n pi, n is an integer. Write down. Second, tan cube theta is 3 tan theta. Please do not divide by tan theta because division by only non-zero number is allowed. We are not sure whether tan theta is 0 or non-zero. So rearrange the terms to get tan cube theta minus 3 tan theta equal to 0. Take tan theta common to get tan square theta minus 3 equal to 0. So either tan theta is 0 or tan square theta is 3. Now tan theta equal to 0 has general solution theta equal to n pi where n is an integer. Tan square theta is 3. Now 3 is square of root 3. But tan pi by 3 is root 3. So equation becomes tan square theta equal to tan square pi by 3. And what is the general solution? It is theta equal to n pi plus minus pi by 3. N belongs to z, that is set of integers. So final answer should be general solution is theta equal to n pi, n is an integer, or theta equal to n pi plus minus pi by 3. N is an integer. Third one, this is an important one. Cos theta plus sin theta is 1. Basically, it is 1 cos theta plus 1 sin theta, right? So divide throughout by root of 1 square plus 1 square, that is root 2. In general, if it is a cos theta plus b sin theta, you have to divide throughout by what? Root of a square plus b square. As simple as that. So it is 1 upon root 2 cos theta plus 1 upon root 2 sin theta is 1 by root 2. Now replace this 1 by root 2 by cos pi by 4 and this by sin pi by 4. Cos alpha cos beta plus sin alpha sin beta is cos of alpha minus beta. Now you know what is general solution of cos theta equal to cos alpha. So it is in this case theta minus pi by 4 equal to 2n pi plus minus pi by 4. Now first consider positive sign and then consider negative sign. So considering positive sign, theta minus pi by 4 is 2n pi plus pi by 4. Bring this to RHS. So 2 times pi by 4, that is pi by 2. So general solution is theta equal to 2n pi plus pi by 2. N is an integer. Considering negative sign, bring this to RHS. So in fact, there is no need of bringing into RHS. This gets cancelled. So theta is 2n pi. N is an integer. So what should be the final answer? 2n pi plus pi by 2, n is an integer, or 2n pi, n is an integer. Question 8. Which of the following equations have solutions? First one, cos 2 theta is minus 1. Can cosine ratio be minus 1? Yes, it can be. But while writing, you have to say that minus 1 less than or equal to cos alpha less than or equal to 1 for any real alpha. And therefore, we have to say that cos 2 theta equal to minus 1 definitely has solution. Second, cos square theta equal to minus 1. Impossible, because cos theta is always real and square of any real number is, don't say positive, say non-negative, because 0 is a real number, its square is 0, which is neither negative nor positive. So I have written cos theta is a real number. So cos square theta has to be greater than or equal to 0. So cos square theta equal to minus 1 has no solution. Third one, 2 sin theta is 3. So sin theta is 3 by 2. Now, can sin theta be greater than 1? No, because sin theta has to lie between minus 1, 1, both inclusive. So 2 sin theta equal to 3 has no solution. Fourth one, 3 tan theta equal to 5. So what is tan theta? 5 by 3. Now, is this correct? Is this valid? Yes, because tan theta can assume any real value, and therefore we have to say given equation is either solvable, or you may say given equation has solution. The next one is not from the textbook actually, but it is good one. Find general solution of 4 sin x cos x plus 2 sin x plus 2 cos x plus 1 equal to 0. So take 2 sin x common from the first two terms to get 2 cos x plus 1. Take 1 common from last two terms to get again 2 cos x plus 1. So this is 2 sin x plus 1 into 2 cos x plus 1 equal to 0. So either 2 sin x plus 1 is 0, that is sin x is minus half, or 2 cos x plus 1 is 0, that is cos x is minus half. We begin with sin x equal to minus half, that is minus sin pi by 6. But sin of pi plus theta is minus sin theta. So this becomes sin x equal to sin 7 pi by 6. So what is the general solution? Theta equal to n pi plus minus 1 raised to n, 7 pi upon 6, n is an integer. Now cos x is minus half, cos pi by 3 is half. So minus half is minus cos pi by 3. Cos of pi minus theta is minus cos theta. So ultimately it is cos x equal to cos 2 pi by 3. So what is the general solution? X equal to In the previous case also it should have been x equal to, now I have written x equal to, previously it was theta equal to. This is correct, x equal to. So here x is what? 2n pi plus minus 2 pi by 3. So it should be the final answer. It should be x equal to n pi plus minus 1 raised to n, 7 pi by 6, n is an integer, or x equal to 2n pi plus minus 2 pi by 3, n is an integer. Okay, so that's it for today.